All right, I'm back with another quick video. I'm going to install these mud flaps. Last time we put on the paint protection film in the back, and after the last snowstorm, you can see exactly where the snow would pile up on the vehicle. So Tesla came out with these mud flaps just a couple of weeks ago, right after I had finished putting in the protection film. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in there today. I think we're getting some more snow next week, so it'd be good to just get some added protection. See how these look. Went ahead and cleaned this off. Just have to, it's a pretty simple install and it really doesn't require much knowledge of doing this kind of thing, but pretty much take these two clips off. I have some tools. I just have a screwdriver and actually like a panel remover tool. I don't think you're gonna need that. You can do it with just a screwdriver too if you don't have this special tool, but we'll see how that works. But it's clean, dry, and it looks like just these two holes are held in by those clips, and then there's little clips here that are gonna help support this side so it doesn't go flapping around. So we'll see how that works out, but it looks pretty simple. So let's get started. And they give you some extra ones of these, or maybe they might be longer to replace the one. So even if you break these, probably are okay. So that's it. I mean, really not much to it. All you're doing is getting your screwdriver underneath this tab, which pops it open, which allows that thing to release. Because when it's obviously in there, it pushes forward and it spreads out. So that's all you're doing to get that clip off. Sometimes these break, so I guess it's good they give you some extra. They give you replacements, and it does looks to me like they're longer in compare size. Oh, if we look, there's the original one, and I guess you call it replacement. Looks much longer, maybe even stronger. We'll see. Looks like that's pretty much it. Clips right in. I'm gonna take a quick look at the instructions to make sure I didn't miss anything, but literally just clip it in, get those there, and then push pins. Okay, so looked at the instructions and it definitely says do not reuse these, use these. I don't know why, maybe they're stronger to hold this thing in place, but you put it in, don't push this in just yet, push just this part, so maybe hold it like this so this doesn't go into quickly, or else you'll have a hard time getting it in there. So once that's in, just that little thing is sticking out, pop it in and repeat again. Hold it maybe just like this so you get this part in, and then you're pushing that part. That's it. It's on there. So we'll just repeat that for the other side. And let's just take a quick look at what this looks like and how it's going to protect our rear quarter panel. Alright, so I straightened out the wheel, and that's the mud flap there. And now if we take a look back here, remember from our video last time, what we're trying to do is protect this part right here, which you can still see from our last storm is pretty covered in salt and grime. And now that that mud flap is going to protect not only stuff underneath the car, but also just the side of that tire. Should really prevent anything from flinging back to this side. So we will repeat this on the other side. Obviously, what you're gonna do is, in this case, I turn the wheel to the left for this side, exposing all of the pins. So I'll just turn it the opposite way and repeat. Okay, so let's do a close-up. So last time I just used a screwdriver. This is absolutely not needed. So hopefully this little close-up shows you how we get in there. You can see this little gap right here. Literally just pop it in there. Comes out super easy. This is about as easy as a install gets. Pop out the other one. You might be hang on to these clips for if you ever want to take the mud flaps off, if you care that much. They might also be used elsewhere inside this wheel well, so it might be good to have some spares. They're not very expensive, obviously, but if you got them, just keep them around your toolbox. So, again, just have this little clip here that's going to clip into the side. It's easy to maneuver around to get the holes lined up, but yeah, you pretty much get it there. Holes are lined up. Requires a little bit of force to get the front to line up, but not too bad. Just right about there. And do the front one first. It's in. Snap it in. These will probably be harder to get out since they don't have like a little notch. But I don't know if I'll take these out. Might just leave them on all year round. Here it clicks. Good to go. That's pretty much it for this install. All right, I hope that was helpful. If you can, just give a little like to the video so other people can find it if they find it useful. Just have a little tips and tricks. I don't think I've seen any videos of people installing these, so hopefully that helps out. All right, take care. Bye.